Hi everyone, welcome to CodeTav Management. So today's GFG problem of the day is the longest subarray with sum divisible by k. So here one array is given and its contents n integers and a positive integer k, and you have to find the length of the longest subarray with the sum of the elements divisible by the given value k. Okay, so here the number of elements is 6, so the array elements 6 elements are there and k is given 3, so you need to calculate that subarray sum, means which will be maximum and which will be also divisible by 3, right? So here 7 6 1 4, the sum is 18 and which is divisible by 3, so this is the subarray sum. Okay, and for the next also n is 7, k is 3, and here also 2 minus 5 12 minus 11 minus 1. Okay, so this is with sum minus 3, and this is also divisible by 3, right? So here we need the time complexity and the space complexity as big O of n, right? So here the solution class is already declared, and long subarray with sum div by k. This method is given with parameters like array integer array a and its length n, and the given positive integer is k, right? So what we have done after that, we have created an array with the prefix sum mod k, okay, to store the prefix sum modulo k for each index, and then we have initialized the current sum to 0 and keep track of the running sum while iterating through the array, and then initialized the max length to 0 to store the length of the longest subarray with a sum divisible by k. Okay, so after that we iterate through the array a. Okay, so we update the running sum current sum by adding the current sum. Okay, and calculate the uh, prefix sum modulo k for the current index. Okay, by doing that current sum modulo k plus k modulo k. So we calculate the prefix sum modulo k for the current index and handle the negative numbers to ensure the modulo is non-negative. Okay, so to handle these negative numbers, take the modulo and add k, right? Okay, so after that, we have created one hash map, which is named as here prefix sum map, to store the last index for each prefix sum modulo k, and initialize the map with the prefix sum 0 and at index -1. Okay, which helps when the entire array forms a subarray with a sum divisible by k. So after that, we have iterated through the prefix sum mod k array, and if the current prefix sum modulo k is already in the prefix sum map, then we have to update the max length with the length of the current subarray, right? And if the current prefix sum modulo k is not in the map, we have to add it with the current index to the map, right? And at last and finally, we return the maximum length which we found, which represents the length of the longest subarray with a sum divisible by k. Okay, so this is the approach here. So I think you have gone through properly. So you can also share your approach, and if you have any another algorithm or any other discussion, then you can also comment down. Do like, share, subscribe, and follow the channel. Thank you.